Okay, I think it's working. I think it's working. Okay, so quick trade recap for you is I don't know what the laptop's doing right now, so I'm just gonna make it super quick and concise, and I'm not gonna go too crazy into it because it's very fucking laggy. But let me quickly show you the trades I took. One trade, BE, and I took. Well, this is one trade, but I added on to just risk wasn't enough, and yeah, got out of those highs. Pretty simple. Go back in trading view. You can see these are both the trades. Trading on that account right now, I was given it just like a free account, so may as well get it passed and use it. So yeah, just did that on a Monday. Not great PA, not gonna lie. I wasn't gonna take something on the actual on my TraderVate account, as you can see down here. But yeah, it's pretty simple. I don't know. This is literally lagging so much. So because of that reason, I'm just gonna talk about it. I'm not even gonna try and show it. Cause look, you see what's going on. I'm gonna go crazy. This laptop's killing me. I want my setup. Like this is the kind of shit where you're just like, rough. I want my setup. But anyway, it's pretty simple. So this low here was 5 minute. It took out. If we just go back and go back and go back, see it's so like yeah. So it took out this. Okay, current day low. Okay, didn't take out previous day low. It actually missed it by like 2 points. Um, so that's a wee bit frustrating. But it took out current day low. So it took out all the current day liquidity. On the 5 minute, turtle souped it, which is what I like to see. Um, After that, what happened? We got this inverse. Just a confirmation. So we had manipulation um, within the macro. So in macro, manipulation, inverse for confirmation. Um, and that was the basis for the trade. The first one I just BA'd early because I mean in the SIBI VWAP right above, there's a lot going on there, you know. But after I saw this reaction, it didn't actually close on this inverse to continue down. It didn't actually close until over here. But these wicks, I liked it. And on the 5 minute, it was nice. I'm not even gonna bother trying to go on the 5 minute because it's playing games for now. You know, fuck it, we're gonna go. We're gonna try. Okay, we're gonna try. Come on, come on, come on. I don't know what it is with TradingView lately. This has been happening a lot. Anytime I try and record, TradingView just everything else is fine, but TradingView just makes it so laggy, so annoying. If anyone knows anything about that, let me know. It's probably because I'm just doing so much on this laptop right now, but it's what I gotta use. I'm traveling everywhere. I can't just carry a PC with me. That's kind of the problem. It makes me want my setup though a lot. So if this was literally, but look, you can see it over here. Okay, so you can clearly see it. Takes this low, takes all of this current day liquidity, and basically just trading rebalance because as you can see, this came up, and you could think that is a rebalance, but it isn't a rebalance because for something to be an actual rebalance, it needs to create a new lower high. So this obviously creates a new low, which then after that, it's going to rebalance to then continue lower. That's the assumption. Okay, when you look at the higher time frame, the 1 hour is going down. Yes, if you look at the real higher time frame, obviously NQ has been super bullish. But if you look at the 1 hour in the past few days, it's just been a downward spiral. Okay, so we're expecting it to continue to go down until it shows signs of going back up. And what happens when it's going down or up? Well, it goes, rebalances, continues. Goes, rebalance, continues. That's a simple price action. Okay, so we have this push back up. Okay, into this sort of area. It didn't actually go into that, but it pushed up to that sort of area. Now, why is that not an actual rebalance? Why is that not enough of a rebalance? Pretty simple. It didn't actually make a new low. So this one then did come down. It came down, it made a new low. then it rebalanced, and it rebalanced all the way up into here, which was actually touching the 4-hour SIBI, and that's basically why it was that proper rebalance. So that's what I basically traded. I traded the rebalance. I was just trading a reversal against the direction. The direction was bearish currently on the 1 hour, and I was expecting a rebalance. So I basically just traded the rebalance of manipulation and a confirmation, and that's pretty simple. Also on the 5 minute, I'm just noticing the 5 minute, but look, same thing. So you could literally have just traded this off the 5 minute. You've got turtle soup, you've got this inverse right here, and a pullback into sort of like 50% of this candle range that did the manipulation and the inverse. That's just a great trade, to be honest. For a Monday, it's pretty good. For an eval, it's great. So yeah, that's basically all there is to it. And yeah, that's the trade recap. First one I've done in ages. First one I've done in Australia. So if you didn't know, now you know. But yeah, that's great. So see you.